Ish. I am trying to save him from this one. I am using this cloth to make them separate. There is no one at my place, so what can I do? Like, if I will go to feed them something to make them engaged, then they will start fighting again, and I don't want to make them fight. I am waiting for my husband, and when he will come, then he will take care of that. He's so nice guy. This one who is injured, actually, he likes my white parrot, but this yellow one is against their love. Don't, don't go back. Now I am going to close this so he won't approach them. Wait, this is the yellow one and this is it. Teddy, chal. Shh. Now I have a idea, and I am going to place something here to save him. So I will tell you in next video. Please watch it.